Good morning. It's Friday. Friday means we announce a winner. Yeah, this winner's getting 2 knives. The SOG Fielder. These knives have been enhanced by Dick Ritchie. Schrade. Okay, so this is the Schrade Flair. I named it the Ric Flair. And this is the SOG Chuck Norris. This is a knife Chuck Norris would carry. The winner is Metalhead Blade. You deserve these knives. Now, I picked you special, Metalhead. Not because you got a cool name. I picked you special because you got a good story. And I care about you. And I don't even know you. Yeah. Somehow you managed to get me to give a shit. You win the Chuck and the Flair. Custom knives by Dick Ritchie.